So you're looking into getting our 3-year ceramic coating. We are going to do a hand wash, chemical decontamination to really clean the pores of the paint system out, get all those metals, mineral oxides, tree saps, bugs, tars, and all those things out of the paint system. We're going to do a nice thorough clay bar to ensure we have a nice smooth surface to the exterior. Once we've done all that, we're going to clean out the wheels, the wells, the door jambs, and a drip-free dry before we start our paint correction process. We're going to do a machine polish to get that clear coat to be nice and even, get any little swirlies out or maybe factory defects. But we really want to make sure and do this if it's a brand new car or a semi-used car or a classic car, is that we have every bit of protection of an old wax, a sealant, or maybe a ceramic coating off that surface to make sure our coating bonds with it properly. Once we've done that, we're going to put the ceramic onto the paint and the plastics. If you're interested in the wheels and the glass, maybe the interior ceramic coating, we can add those on. Just ask us about them. If you have more questions about any of those or the process or the warranties, give us a call, message us, or come by the shop for a free quote. We can't wait to get this ceramic coating done for you today.